Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Syntech microprocessor. My name is Arya Mukherjee, and in this video series I am discussing about the Codevita coding problems. Usually I make video on microprocessor and microcontroller, but I make a video on coding, TCS Codevita coding. We know there is a coding contest, TCS Codevita. In this year 2020, I also took participate in this coding contest and I solved a few problems. So this is the second video on Codevita coding problem solution. In this video, I am going to discuss about a problem that is single lane highway. It's a Codevita 2020 problem. Let's talk about the question. What is the question of this single lane highway? This question has mainly three parts. I solved this problem in Python language and this question has mainly three parts. The question is that, let us discuss about the question. Okay, so come in. The question is that user have to input the speed of the vehicles separated by a space. We have to input, or the user will give a input about the speeds of vehicles which is separated by a space. The second part is we have to find out the total number of groups of the data and the total number of permutations of the speeds of the vehicles. This is the second part of the question. And the third part is we have to evaluate the value of the total number of groups by the total number of permutations. So the output is the evaluated value is the answer here. So all of you can see that's it's a very short and precise problem, and it also run in private test case in Codevita contest. I solved it in Python language. You can see this problem. Hopefully you can understand. If you know the Python, then you can understand this problem, whatever I have done here. So I think this video is quite helpful for all of you to get an overview or get a concept like that for this problem, to how to solve it. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. And you can share this video with all of your friends. I am damn sure that it's help you for your career in coding. And if you are the student, then it's help you to practice the competitive coding. So please subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.